Hi, second graders. Welcome back to Social Studies. As I told you, we are starting a new unit where we are going to learn how to be business people, and we're going to be ending up making our own businesses. And last time I met with you guys, so on Monday, we learned about economic wants. So those are things that we desire and we can buy, right? Things that we want. And then we also learned about goods and services. Goods are things you buy that you can take home and you can touch them. And services are things that you buy that other people do for you, like getting your hair cut, right? Today, we're going to be learning about how when we have these things that we want, right? Sometimes we have to make choices, right? And also, there's this thing called scarcity, which I'm going to teach you what that means here shortly, okay? So I'm going to read to you guys this passage, and then your job is going to be to answer the questions below. All right, so really focus and pay attention. If you have to go back and look at the words, that's fine too. But first, listen to me read, and then try to answer these questions. Again, when you're answering these questions, if you don't know the answer, go back and look at the reading. That's why this is here, so you can check your answer. It's in here. That's the cool part about it. Okay, so the story goes like this. Choices and scarcity. Each and every day, we make choices. Sometimes we decide if we are going to make our bed or not, play with our friends at recess, or if we want water or juice. When we make a choice between two things, we are picking one thing and giving up another. The thing we pick is our choice. Sometimes we have to make choices because of scarcity. Scarcity happens when there's not enough of something for everyone who wants it. I'm going to pause reading, okay? So I'm no longer reading this story. Have you ever been in a time where there was not enough of something that people wanted? Have you ever had to wait your turn for something because there wasn't enough of what you wanted? That's what scarcity is. Imagine there's like a whole pizza, right? And everyone wants this pizza, and people are going and grabbing pieces, and then you get there and there's none left. You are experiencing scarcity. There's not enough. And that's what scarcity is. It's when there's not enough of something for everyone who wants it. For example, if you are playing on the swings with your 4 friends, so imagine 4 friends wanting to play on the swings, but there are only 2 swings, you are experiencing scarcity. At that moment, you will have to make a choice. Should you play on the swing while some of your friends watch? Or should you go and play something else where everyone can join? Very interesting. So here we learn that sometimes we have to make choices and we have to decide, what do we want to do? Sometimes we make choices because there's scarcity. There's not enough of something, and it forces us to make a choice. All right, your job today is to tell me what are choices. If you're not sure, go back and look. What are choices? You're also going to tell me what is scarcity. So tell me, what does that mean, scarcity? Don't give me an example. Tell me what it is. What does that mean? Look back in the words because it tells you exactly what it means. And then here's where you're going to have to use your experience and what you already know. It says, when have you had to make a choice because of scarcity? Explain what happened. So you're going to give your own example of when scarcity has happened to you. So here, this example of the 4 friends, right? They come over and they see 2 swings. There's not enough swings for everybody. You have to tell me about a time when you've experienced scarcity and there wasn't enough of something. If you're not sure, you can't think of one, make one up. But I won't know. But tell me of a time when there was scarcity. Remember to use the text box to answer questions. So here I am. If I was answering number 1, I would start off, choices are, and tell me what choices are. Once you answer that, you can drag it. You can make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it smaller so it fits. Choices are blank. Make sure it's a complete sentence with a period at the end. All right, guys, I'm excited to see your answers. Again, use the reading to help you. It's there for a reason. All right, guys, you can do it. I believe in you. I'll see you guys next week.